Hi everybody, thanks for joining us for our Thursday weather video brought to you by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, we've got a subtropical wind flow building across the country. That's why we're seeing some bigger clouds forming in the north here. You can see through that northeast wind flow. And the humidity levels going up as well. It was a mild morning in the north and many other areas as well, as the winds are picking up more and more. And this is the system that's moving in for Friday and Saturday across many parts of the country. So this is how we look for Friday. It's a wet day across New Zealand. Downpours, some of them will be quite heavy, especially on the west coast and some of these northern areas later on. Now, it's subtropical again, just like last week. Hopefully, though, we won't be seeing a repeat of the flooding around the west coast and in some parts of the north, because it's broken up a lot more and it's not this big solid area of rain. There are some big areas here you see on the west coast, and the yellow shading up here indicates sort of northern areas of both islands, or northwestern areas of both islands could be exposed to some heavy downpours. So make sure you're up to date with any potential wind warnings, or rain warnings I should say. The winds will be a little bit strong though. They could be strong to gale force in some areas. You can see here on the very outer edge of that front. It's similar to last week's setup, to be honest, perhaps a little bit weaker than what we had last week. High pressure out here is feeding in all this warm, humid wind flow across the country, and it's mostly dry if you're in Southland, Otago and Fiordland. By Saturday, Fiordland again, one of the drier places, a couple of showers. The west coast also mostly dry in both islands actually. The rain does linger first thing in the morning around Bay of Plenty, Gisborne, maybe northern Hawke's Bay, but the front is clearing as the day goes on, or as the morning goes on, and it should be gone for these very far northeastern areas by the end of the day or afternoon even. Most of the areas are dry. And we'll end on Sunday for you. Here's that front moving out to sea. We've got another chaser front behind it. That's probably just only a few showers. Probably mainly dry on Sunday, to be honest with you. Just a few downpours coming through for Southland, Fiordland. Showers on the west coast will move into the North Island's west coast as well, but I think there'll be plenty of long, dry periods as well. So that's the forecast for the next few days. Don't forget, for the 10-day forecast, go to Sky Channel 081, it's Country TV.